With the Call Notify feature, you can receive an email notification when calls or voicemails are received. When enabled, this feature treats all calls to your extension as busy. You can also enable a ring reminder to provide a brief ringtone to your desk phone when you receive calls. From Webex Settings, select Webex Calling. Click Call Settings, then toggle on Call Notify. Enter an email address to send notifications. If you would like to set up when to receive notifications, select a predefined schedule from the drop-down menu. If you do not see a schedule you'd like to use for this setting, you can add a custom schedule on the Schedules tab in the Calling User portal. For this example, we're using a predefined schedule. Click Add Schedule to set the following parameters. When, select your predefined schedule from the drop-down menu. Calls from, select if you would like to accept calls from any phone number or select phone numbers. If you choose Select Phone Numbers, enter the additional details. Ring or don't ring, choose to accept or decline the calls that fit within these parameters. When finished, click Save. Your schedule is added to a Notify Me or Don't Notify Me table. You can edit or delete schedules from the tables as needed. Click Save.